our 60-inch under-counter refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60.5 inches. We have a depth of 30 inches. And overall height with wheels, 36 inches tall. Without the wheels, we have 30 inches. Left and right swing doors, and included are 2 adjustable shelves, one to the left and one to the right, with each shelf measuring 19.5 inches in depth by 27.5 inches in length. Please note that the depth applies for the lowest point of the shelf. With the highest point of the shelf, we have a depth of 23 inches. From left to right, the length of the entire shelf in one continuous row, we have 56 inches long. Interior dimensions for the under-counter refrigerator itself will include 56.5 inches in length by 13 inches in depth. 13 inches applies for the step located on the back of the under-counter towards the front. And the height, we have 25 inches. Located to the right will also be a thermometer to read the temperature. And coming to the door panel is a sticker with the NSF ETL certification along with specs for this under counter. Please note that the stainless steel is protected by this film and can be peeled off. Located on the back is the 110-120 voltage along with the Dixo analog controller. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.